This screencast shows how to export content from my ericwhite.com WordPress website and import that into my virtual machine that I'm running here. So here, if I'm looking at the virtual machine, we can see it just has the default content for a brand new WordPress site. Let's close this down, go to okay, it's very quiet with no space. Now we're in the dashboard. So I'll go Tools and go to Export. I will now download the export file. I'll put that export file just in the Documents folder. We'll notice it was 2.32 megabytes. That's going to come into play in just a bit. And then we have the file. I'm going to close this and then go run the WordPress site. And I'll log in. And this one, I think it's Eric Space White and 1F8. And we're in the dashboard. So now when I do Tools and Import, I'll want to import WordPress. The first thing that we have to do is install the WordPress importer. It tells us it's not been tested with your current version of WordPress, but I've already tried this and this works anyway. I'll then activate plugin and run importer. Now it tells us the maximum size is 2 megabytes. So we have to know what the property is in php.ini. And I'll upload the file and import, and it's going to give us an error. And we want to set this upload max file size directive in php.ini. I'll create a new one of these. That's the property I want to look for. And I'll shut this down because we don't want to be running anything when I go change the php.ini, go to program files x86. Let's do a PowerShell here. I'll do a dir php.ini recurse. Here, let's do an fl to get the full file name. Now I'll go notepad, quote, paste that in. And we want to upload max file size. And here's where it's set. It's set to 2 megabyte. So I'm going to set it to 20 megabytes. And I'm not going to be able to save this because we're in a directory where I can't save it. Here I'll copy that directory, go here, Notepad, and I'm going to run Notepad as administrator and Control O that, and I'll paste the file in right there. Upload max file size. Instead of 2 megabytes, I'll go for 20 megabytes and save it. And that time it did save. So now I can run Web Matrix again. Go to my site, go to WordPress. Home, run that fellow, log in. It's Eric White and Mona Bate is the password. Now I'll go Tools, Import, WordPress, Browse, select the file. And what's funny here is that it still says the maximum size is 8 megabytes. I don't know why it's still limited, even though I set it to 20 megabytes. But anyway, I'll upload the file and import. it's going to import to Eric Space White from Eric White with no space, and I'll submit that. And it says it failed to import various medias, but other than that, it's in. So now if I go to the site, and all of the good stuff is there. We still have one here. This is the dummy post that is automatically added. I'll move that to trash and apply that. And it's gone. And now we've imported all the content.